Hello everybody, welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha. If you're here for the first time, in this video, my son, he's 12 years old, he's going to be budgeting his money. So basically he gets an allowance. This week it's $20. So he's going to plan out his money, his savings challenges and goals, and then he's also going to do some cash stuffing in his cash envelope. Please show him some love in the comments. If you've been here before, thank you Legacy Builders for your just sharing your wins, and thank you for encouraging us on our journey towards debt freedom, financial independence, and building generational wealth. My teenager is working on managing his money well so he can do well as an adult. So thank you guys for your attention today. You don't have to yell, but you gotta speak up.
All right. You gonna see what you're gonna hear what I'm gonna say. Yo, it's me back again to do my budgeting. It's my budget planner. Everybody, look, remind everybody what we're saving for. We're saving for Desai's birthday, Mother's Day, both $50 goals. We currently have $5 for Desai's birthday. That's what we currently have in my savings. What I currently have today is, what's today?
Today's the 24th.
Today's the 24th. This is my savings envelope. I have $6. Alright, these $5 other dollars are for Saya, so it's back so everyone can see. $6 here, the balance from $4.17. And that will be going, so I'll be adding $2, and the balance will be $8. See, $2 here. Savings envelope. $2 plus $6 from the last time. I'm gonna put these in here. $6. $8 balance. Okay. So we have the ties now. It is again $4.24, I believe. Ties, and we have $7 balance. So I'm going to add $3. Minus, so $10 balance. Alright, well, this is my spendings. I've already taken $3 from it. 4.24. I'll be adding $7. So that'll be $31. Sorry. $31 to spend. Now we will color in the savings tracker. Oh, crayon almost ran off there. Okay, so we're adding $5 to it again. There we go. Savings tracker. So we'll be taking $5 from here, putting it in savings, which will give us $10 for Desai's birthday. So for Desai's birthday, it's $50. For Mother's Day, we will also want to save $50. Put $2 in my savings. That's $8 now. And we have, add $3 to my tithe. It's $10 now. Balance. And for my spendings, I had $7, so it's now $31. Now I have $10 in there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The notification bell on. Yeah.
So Jordan had to make an adjustment or correction here to his giving section in his budget planner. We took out $7 cash from his tithe envelope to pay his tithes as of last week, the 18th, Sunday. Or this week, because Sunday starts the week for us. So we paid $7. So his actual tithe balance in here is $3. And we're making change for him. So right now, Jordan is learning that he has to also include what was spent from each category, how much is left, and of course making change when necessary. So I changed out his $20 and gave him 2 10s, and then he had $7 in his spending money to start with, right? Yes. Good. And then how he split up his $20 is he put $3 towards tithe. That was his what he wanted to do. And then he decided to save $2, right? So he still has his savings from last week. So his actual savings is $8. And then he decided to put an additional $5 towards his savings goal for saving for his little brother's birthday coming up. So that's what he has right now. He has $10 in his savings towards his brother's birthday. I'm helping you out right now, baby, just so you can see how it works. He has $8 in his savings, his cash savings, right? And Jordan is doing awesome, you guys. So I'm loving on him, but I'm teaching him something right now. The tithe, he has $3 cash in the tithing envelope for this week because we paid $7 in tithes last week. All right. And for him to spend, he does not have $31. You have to subtract the $17 that you spent from last week to this week. And you can put what you spent.
I'm really sorry.
Don't say sorry.
I messed up. I made a mistake.
That's what happens.
So if I'm taking $17, I believe it's $24. So
you have to make change. That's all. I'm going to give you change. No, sorry. So you ended with how much last week?
24.
Okay. And you spent?
$7.
And then you're adding how much? You added how much? You added $7 today, right?
Yeah.
No. Wait, don't do that. This is what you already did. You had, let's start from the very beginning. You had a $24 balance last week. Put that on your calculator, right? You added $7, right? Equals 31. But then you spent 17. So subtract the $17 from that 31. $14. I told you it's about progress. You're making progress.
I know.
It's not perfect, but it's progress. All right. So,
I'm really sorry for this, everyone.
Jordan, you're so sweet. Stop apologizing. You read the comments. Everybody's rooting for you, sweetheart. So, we have to make change for Jordan. So, $10 is for Josiah, right? For the savings. You put $3 for tithe, right? So that $3 is there. And then you should have, what did you put in your savings? You put $2. Okay, so we're going to break this 5 so you can put the $2 in there, and you're going to end up with $14, right? So we'll make change. We don't have change right now, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to make change for him, and it's going to be fine. You did good. You did good. In the internet world.
For kindness and comments and rooting for me. And I'm really sorry for this mistake I made. I didn't think about it when I was doing the budget. But like and subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications for.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.